Children, today in this video, through Chi-Chi and Choo-Choo's conversation, we will understand some interesting facts related to making groups of tens and adding these numbers using the carryover method. Hey Chi-Chi, help me count these coins.
Yes, sure, Choo-Choo.
In this pile of coins, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 coins of 10 rupees, which is 40 rupees, and 3 coins of 2 rupees, that is 6 rupees. So 40 and 6, there are 46 rupees.
In this pile of coins, there are 1, 2 and 3 coins of 10 rupees, which is 30 rupees. And 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 1 rupee coins. So there are 30 and 5 35 rupees.
So what is the total amount in both the piles of coins?
To find that out, we have to write both the numbers in the ones and tens boxes. To add 5 to 6 in the ones box, count after 6. That is 7, 8, 9, 10 and we will get 11. Well done. So 11 means 1 tens and 1 ones. We will write 1 ones in the ones box and carry over 1 tens and write it this way in the tens box.
Well done.
Now in the box of tens, adding 4 and 3 will make 7.
Hey, Chi-Chi, you did not count the carryover written in the tens box.
Oh, I made a mistake. Adding the carryover 1 in the tens box to 4 makes 5. And adding 5 and 3 makes 8.
Now you counted right.
The total amount is 81. Very good, Chi-Chi.
But now while doing addition, don't forget to count the carryover number as well.
I will definitely remember. You also please remember this.
Children, in this video, we learned how to correct the mistakes that we make while adding. In the next video, we will learn subtraction through borrowing of groups of tens.